Hey, what's up? Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can get started with making money on ClickBank, even if you don't have any money. We're going to be using ClickBank. Obviously, you need to have a Canva account, which you can do for free. They also have a pro version, which I recommend. And we're going to be using Pinterest for our traffic. Okay, so essentially how this works is like this. Let me go over to my profile really quick and show you what's going on over there. On average, 544,000 monthly viewers. My engagement's like 20,000 right now, so I'm getting plenty of clicks. Over to my website. This is the analytics. Right now there's 2 people on the free money and the stay-at-home mom jobs. And just showing this to you is like a little bit of proof that, you know, it's possible to get traffic over to your website and it's possible to make money through ClickBank, because I have done that. I've gotten one sale here, and then in the past I made small sales too. Click over. Last month $423, and this month just 47. So we're, I don't know, it's working, but we gotta step it up and make some more. And I want to show you guys how you can get started and basically do the exact same thing that I've done, except for free. Now, personally, I use a blog, and that's where I'm, sending most of my traffic to, so that costs money. But today, I think we can do it for free. So let's get started. So we're gonna pick a product first. I'm just gonna pick a product that I know does really well. I'm gonna look for the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani, which I believe is in e-business and e-marketing. There it is right there, Super Affiliate System. I've gotten 291 hops to this product in one sale for 182 bucks, which I think might hit me one more time. Unless he's dropped the price recently, I don't know. The initial sale is at 383. I guess they did drop the price then. Okay, anyway, but I get hops all the time for these different products that I promote. 64 hops on that one, 4 hops there. And so anyway, we're going to promote this one. I like this one. It's got a really big ticket item, you get paid a lot of money. So we're going to keep this open right here. So the next thing we want to do is just come over to Canva and just create a pin really quick. And since we're doing this for Pinterest, I would recommend that you do a video pin. If you don't know how to do video pins, I can put a link to the video that the video tutorial that I made not too long ago. You can check that out for yourself. But I'll bring up my notifications right here. You'll see your video pin. Just notice most of these are video pins that are being saved. 13 other pins. Video pin by this guy and 10 others. Video pin. So video pins are just doing really well. And if you're on mobile and you search for anything, usually the top row will just be video pins. So really trying to push video on Pinterest recently. So now's a good time. Timing is everything, so start making video pins. Alright, so anyway, let's get started. We're going to promote ClickBank product, Super Affiliate System. Let's go to Canva. Let's click on Pinterest graphic and get the ball rolling right there. I don't need analytics right now. I just wanted to show you guys this type of traffic that I've been getting over the last 7 days. Thousands of views, which leads to a lot of subscribers, which unfortunately doesn't lead to a lot of money just yet. I think I'm doing something wrong, but we'll figure it all out. Alright, so you can do a regular pin, just a static pin, like let me go over to my pins. Let's see here. Okay, these would be considered static pins. When you click on them, like, they don't move or anything. And then you've got your video pins, which can be long or short. You really don't have to do too long. I found that these shorter ones do pretty good. 15 seconds, 2 minutes right there. 9 saves, 9 clicks, 24 repins, 17 repins, 32 repins. So just keep them short, it's fine. You don't have to get too crazy with them. Like my best performing pin, the very first one I ever made, this one right here, is only 12 seconds long. So we'll do that. We'll just do a really quick and easy one. Alright, so let's go over here. Let's grab some element. I'm going to put a video in the middle, and I'm going to have text on top and text on the bottom. Actually, I'll just do like half and half. That'll be fine. Open this up. Make it about 711. We'll go right there. Let me change this color to I'll just make it a black. We'll do black on white, or white on black, whatever. Let's grab some text to throw on there. Let me see here. Confession, session proof. Looking at some of my titles, let's just do something basic. How to make money online. How to make money online, Josh Studies. How to leverage paid traffic to create affiliate system. Super affiliate system. Okay. I'm just gonna type this in. Super affiliate system. Let me change that color so you can see it. Just hit the white. Make it all caps. I'll change this over to something else like Barlow. Okay. Put that to be one block. Bring this up here. Super affiliate system. Boom. All right. You guys can spend as much time as you like on these graphics or creatives. I do recommend you just go to Pinterest and type in what you're looking for, and then just model what the top results are. Generally it's something like this. You'll have some text, some kind of an icon in the middle. So let's just grab some photos, some cash really quick. Oh, there's some right there. Pull that down. And a lot of times you don't really need to be too fancy with your pins. Like some of the really basic pins actually perform better than some of the ones I'd spent more time on. So we'll just do that super affiliate system, and then just for the sake of time and saving you guys a little bit of that time, I'll do this pretty basic design. Alright, so that's gonna download, and then I'm gonna pull up DaVinci Resolve, and DaVinci Resolve is a free video editing software that anyone can use. Let's change this to video 1. I'll put it in pictures and pins and save. Alright, so we got that. Now let's go back to DaVinci if it's finished loading. Not yet. I can close this. I don't really need this anymore. Let me see why this isn't loading. Okay. Again, I have a video that walks you through how to do vertical pins using DaVinci Resolve. So if you need to know how to do that, just ask in the comments below and I'll hook you up with the link to that video, or you can just search on the channel for creating vertical pins on Pinterest. Get rid of all this, delete that, Control I, and I'll go to the pins. That pin was called the Secret Affiliate System, Super Affiliate System. Is it super or secret? Super, okay. And let me grab the video, which, let me see, the data. I've got spike videos, motivational videos. I got all these motivational videos off of Fiverr. A long time ago I was gonna try and do an Instagram, like a motivational Instagram, and try to make money that way, but I just never stuck to it. So, but I still got all these, so it's fine. I'm using them for Pinterest now. So let me just grab this one, open that. Just do this really quickly for you guys. It doesn't have to take too long. But the thing is, you'll want to pump out a few of these a day if you can, or just however often you can. I don't do video pins too often, maybe like once a week or so. So let me shrink that back down. It's a pretty tall one, isn't it? Alright, let me play it and see what it looks like. Hopefully I don't get a copy strike on that one. Alright, let me move that down a little bit. See what it looks like. Okay. Alright, move that over here. Change this to MP4. Damn it, now I gotta go in there and change everything. 734. Okay, make sure the audio is clicked on because I accidentally changed that format to something else and it cut that off. You gotta be careful with stuff like that. Alright, that looks fine. Pictures, pins. Let's do super affiliate demo video pin. Add that to the render queue. Click start render. It should be done here in a few seconds. I won't be surprised if this pin does really well. The super simple pins seem to just take off for whatever reason they do. Alright, open that up. Let me save this and close it because we don't need that anymore. And we'll go over to Pinterest. And we'll do this, create a pin. Alright, let me drop it in here. Now if I'm not mistaken, you do need a business account in order to upload video pins to Pinterest right now. That's free to do, also it doesn't cost any money. But there is an approval time on these videos. Usually you can get your video will be approved within 24 hours as long as it fits the criteria, their guidelines or whatnot. So we'll just name this one affiliate marketing training, free value, whatever, and then we'll add one more, make money from home. Down here we'll kind of do the same thing, learn, sign up, and learn how to generate a passive income using affiliate marketing. Just something simple like that. You could throw hashtags in there these days, so let's make money, flex, I don't know, bank rolls, I don't know, just throwing some random stuff in here, love, video, and something like that. And for the destination link, we need that ClickBank link. Now, last thing I remember about affiliate links on, oh no way, they have direct to sales page. Nice. But anyway, article lander. Let's go with default. This is an article lander based on Forbes article. Let's send them over to the article lander. That might not be too bad. Copy this link. Because a lot of the folks that are going to be on Pinterest are women. I just think maybe they'll be more interested in reading an article than going to all these webinars and stuff. They might just be like, yeah. So, okay, so we got that. We'll take it back over here. We'll plug it in here. Now, I will say that because, I don't know why it's not showing me. Because that link is a ClickBank link, Pinterest is going to know that. They might not push this video to the top or, give it many plays because of that. So if you have your own website, then you can get rich pins enabled, and rich pins just gonna give you, they're gonna give you a little extra metadata, and Pinterest knows it's coming from your website, so they're gonna push it up there a little bit more. Like you can direct link this. I could publish this right now, and I'll go ahead and I'll publish it. I'll just put it in affiliate marketing, all about it. But what you really want to do is start sending people to your blog website, and it's really cheap to get started with a blog. It's like $4 a month, but you do need to throw some money up front. Like you pay for the year, it's going to cost you like 120 bucks, maybe something like that. I can't remember, maybe more, maybe less. But anyway, you do that, you start creating blog articles, and you get rich pins set up through Pinterest. Maybe you can buy some training, or you can get some free training. But you want to be sending people to like a blog post page, like these ones right here. This one only 347 plays. A lot of these are leading back to this website page that I created. The super. Let me see. Let me just click over. I think I got that wrong. It's a super secret mix up here. Yeah, I put secret. It should be super affiliate system. My bad. Secret affiliate system should be super affiliate system. Jesus. I gotta change all that. But anyway, I'm sending people to this blog post. They get to, you know, watch a little bit more from John here. This video is just coming from his YouTube channel. And they can click on this and it'll take them to the webinar. This is my little pop-up here that gets people on my email list for learning how to blog, how to set this type of stuff up. But I think I will change these links out after this video to the, what was that? Let's just take them directly to the sales page. See what happens. Alright, so anyway, that's basically how you do it. We'll come back to Pinterest. Let me go back to the profile, the videos, and this one is being reviewed. It will probably take, you know, about a day for it to finish up the review process, but we'll come back after a while, I guess, and if anyone's interested, we'll do some updates, and we'll talk about, you know, what kind of clicks it's gotten. Because if you look down in here, this one's gotten 538 plays. This is the average watch time, and this is the repins. But if you want to go deeper into it, you can see more stats, and you can see how long people watch it, how many people actually make it towards the end, and so on. So this one's got a total of 800 watch time minutes. Average watch time is 6 seconds. It's not a long video, so actually quite a few people can make it through it. 238 close-ups, 33 saves, 56 link clicks. So, get free money. So that's basically it. If you want to make some ClickBank sales, then you can do it using this method. There's plenty of others out there. Let me stop all that. There's plenty of other methods out there. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just hit me up. I'm here to help. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care of yourself.